Continue to the problems and determinant. Let's start the class. First question, factorize the following. Suppose you have to factorize this determinant. Before this, first you observe the question. The first row is x plus a b c, second row b x plus c a, third row c a x plus b. As the terms used are x a b c, and if add every elements of row 1, it is x plus a plus b plus c. Again adding row 2, it is b plus x plus c plus a, which is again x plus a plus b plus c. Again in row 3 we get x plus a plus b plus c. If you apply the property column 1 is split by column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3, you may use the property r1 is split by r1 plus r2 plus r3. As here row 1 equal to column 1, row 2 equal to column 2, row 3 equal to column 3. If you add it column wise, then it is also x plus a plus b plus c, x plus a plus b plus c, it is x plus a b plus c. So let use the property column 1 is split by column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3. Now this is x plus a plus b plus c, again x plus a plus b plus c, x plus a b plus c. We know that to evaluate a determinant, we try to reduce maximum number of zeros in any one row or any one column. Particularly if any row or any column, if every elements of any row or column of a determinant are identical, we reduce it to 0 by using the property r1 is split by r1 minus r2 and r2 is split by r2 minus r3. We know as in the previous class we have studied that if every elements of any column are identical, use the properties of row. Similarly, if every elements of a row are identical, we use the property of columns. So by applying r1 minus r2, this becomes 0. It is b minus x minus c, it is c minus a. Again r2 minus r3, this minus this 0, x plus c minus a minus x minus b. Now by expanding this in the first column, here this row 0. Now deleting third row and first column, it is x plus a b plus c, and we get a determinant of order 2. Now multiplying these two, we get this. Another question, the same question, factorize this. If you observe this question, here the first row is ABC, second row is B plus C, C plus A plus B. We try to reduce every elements of any row or any column as equal. That is, if you apply the property row 2 is split by row 2 plus row 1, then the row 1 is fixed, row 3 is fixed. Now row 2 is a plus b plus c plus a, that is a plus b plus c. Again it is a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c. Now every elements of row 2 are identical. As every elements of row 2 are identical, we can reduce any two element to 0 by using the property column 1 minus column 2, column 2 minus column 3. You may use some other properties of column, that is column 2 is split by column 2 minus column 1, column 3 is split by column 3 minus column 2, like this. Suppose you apply this property, now we get a minus b, it is 0, a square minus b square, b minus c 0, b square minus c square. Again column 3 is c, a plus b, b plus c, c square. Now if you expand this along the column, along row 2, now sign of the entries is minus plus minus. Now by deleting second row and third column, we get minus of a plus b plus c, as sign of this position is negative. We get the determinant a minus b, b minus c, a square minus b square, b square minus c square. Again by taking common a minus b from column 1, it is minus a plus b plus c, again a minus b, b minus c, b minus c from column 2. We get 1, 1, a plus b, b plus c. Now again by solving, we get this. Suppose you want to solve this question. First observe the question. If you add every elements of row 2, that is x plus 5. Every elements of row 2, again it is x plus 5. again it is x plus 5. So apply the property column 1 is followed by column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3. Now x plus 5, x plus 5, x plus 5 2, 3, x plus 1 3, 4x. Now you try to reduce any two elements to 0 by using the property r1 minus r2, r2 minus r3. Again it is 0, it is 2 minus x minus 1, that is 1 minus x, it is 0, again it is 0, it is x minus 3, it is 3 minus x. Row 3 is again x plus row 3 is x plus 5, 4 x. So by using this property we get this. Now expanding column 1, determinant of x plus 5 into, by deleting third row and first column we get determinant of this. Now taking common x minus 3 from row 2 we get x minus 3, 1 minus x 0, it is 1 minus 1. Again by solving we get minus 1 into 1 minus x, that is x minus 1 minus 0 is x minus 1. Prove the following determinants. Suppose you have to prove determinant of this equal to this. Now start from LHS. Now we try to reduce maximum number of elements to 0. As we are familiar with row 1 and column 1, as we are familiar with the expansion of row 1 and column 1. Suppose you want to reduce this element to 0. This element is b plus c and again it is bc. If you apply the property row 1 minus row 2 minus row 3, then it reduces to 0. So by using this is 0. Again it is a minus c minus a minus c, that is a minus c minus a minus c, again it is minus 2c. Similarly a minus b minus a minus b, that is minus 2b. Again row 2 and row 3 are fixed. Now by taking common 2 from row 1, it is 2 into 0 minus c minus b, b, c plus a b, again c, c, a plus b. Again our target is to reduce maximum number of elements of this determinant to 0 so that our calculation step become smaller. That is, calculation step may be less. Suppose you apply the property row 2 is followed by row 2 plus row 1. Since it is c plus a, it is minus c, it is b, it is minus c. If you apply the property row 2 is followed by row 2 plus row 1, then it becomes 0 and becomes a. Similarly apply the property row 3 is followed by row 3 plus row 1. So 2, row 1 is fixed, again b plus 0 b, c plus a minus c a, b plus minus b 0. Similarly c plus 0 c, c plus minus c 0, a plus b minus b, again it is a. Now evaluate this along row 1, that is 0, it is minus minus c plus c, by deleting first row and second column b 0 c a. Similarly minus b, deleting first row and third column b a c 0. By solving this, 2 c into ab minus 0, that is abc, minus b into 0 minus c, that is abc, which is equal to 4 abc, RHS. Or we can solve in this way. Again I just read the question, that is, start from LHS. If you now apply the property r1 minus r2 minus r3 to reduce this b plus c to 0, it is 0 minus 2c minus 2b, again we get this. Now if we multiply b in column 2 and c in column 3, it became minus 2bc, it became minus 2bc. So column 2 is split by b into column 2, column 3 is split by c into column 3. If you multiply b in column 2 and c in column 3, you have to divide bc in the whole. So 1 by bc. Now 0 bc minus 2 bc, bc, ab, it is bc, minus 2 bc, bc, again ca plus bc. Here these two are equal. Now apply the property column 2 is split by column 2 minus column 3, so that maximum number of zeros are there in row 1. So c2 minus c3 we get, it is 0, bc plus ab minus bc, it is ab, bc minus ca minus bc, it is minus ca. Similarly this. Now every elements, now if you expand this in row 1, we get minus 2bc into determinant of this. So by deleting bc, cancelling bc, sorry, it is minus abc, again minus abc, which is equal to 4abc. So now another question, determinant of this equal to 4a square b square c square. It is similar to the previous problem. Suppose you start from LHS. First observe the question. The first row is b square c square ab ac. Second row is ab c square plus a square bc. Third row is ca bc a square plus b square. If we observe in the first row abac, second row abbc, third row cabc. In the first row you can take common a, in the second row you can take in common b, in the third row you can take in common c. So taking common a, b, c from r1, r2, r3. Similarly you can take in common also abc along column wise, because in the here the first row is the first column, second row is the second column, third row is the third column. Here abc also take a common a from column 1. Suppose you use the property taking common abc from r1, r2, r3 respectively, we get abc outside. Now it is b square plus c square by a, it is abb ac c. Similarly a, by taking common b from row 2, it is a c square plus a square by b c, again a b a square plus b square by c. Now again multiply a in column 1, b in column 2 and c in column 3. If you multiply a in column 1, we get b square plus c square, a square. B in column 2, it is b square c square plus a square b square. C in column 3, it is c square a square plus b square, which is same as the previous question, b square plus c square b square c square. Again reduce this element to 0 by using column 1 minus column 2 minus column 3, b square plus c square minus b square minus c square, again it is 0. Again it is minus 2c square minus 2b square. Again by multiplying b in row 2 and c in row 3. If you multiply b square in row 2 and c square in row 3. Now you have to divide 1 by b square c square, that is 0 b square c square minus 2b square c square b square c square a square b square. Again b square c square minus 2b square c square b square c square c square a square b square c square. Again you have to reduce maximum number of zeros in any particular row or column. As these two elements are identical, use the property row 2 minus row 3. Again it is 0. Again it is b square plus c square minus b square c square a square b square. This minus this, again it is minus c square c square. Now expand by expanding in column 1 by b square c square minus 2b square c square. Now determinant of this, by solving this, minus 2 into a minus a square b square c square minus a square b square c square equal to 4a square b square c square. Another question, prove that determinant of this equal to 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. It is similar to the previous question also. If you observe that in the first row it is abac, second row abbc, third row acbc. Again taking common abc from r1, r2, r3 respectively, we get abc, it is again a square plus b a square plus 1 by a bc. Similarly a b square plus 1 by b, again bc, by taking common b you get c. Similarly from c, row 3, if you take common c, it is ab c square plus 1 by c. Again by multiplying abc in column 1, column 2, column 3, it is this. First we have to prove this as 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Now observe this question. It is first row is a square plus 1 b square c square, second row is a square b square plus 1 c square, third row is a square b square c square plus 1. That is addition of every elements of row 1 is 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Addition of every elements of row 2 is again this. Addition of every elements of row 3 is again 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. So use the property column 1 is plotted by column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3. We get this. Now as every elements of column 1 are identical, now reduce any two to 0 by using the property r1 minus r2, r2 minus r3. That is, it is r1 minus r2, it is 0, b square minus b square minus 1, c square minus c square 0. Again row 2 minus row 3 0. Again it is b square plus 1 minus b square 1. Again c square minus 1, it is minus 1. Similarly row 3. Now expand this along column 1 by deleting column 1 and row 3. We get 1 plus a square b square plus c square. Again minus 1 0 1 minus 1, which is again solving we get this as 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Another question similar to the above question also, it is this determinant of this equal to this. Again by if you observe that in the first row we can take common a, similarly we can take in common a from column 1 also. Here we can taking common ABC from column 1, column 2, column 3. We can also take common in row 1, row 2, row 3 also. By taking common A from column 1, B from column 2 and C from column 3. We get ABC outside. Again it is minus A, B, C. It is A minus B, C. By taking common B. By taking common A from column 1, it is minus A, B, C. Again B from column 2, it is A minus B, C. By taking common C from column 3, it is A, B minus C. Again taking common A from row 1, B from row 2, C from row 3. It is again ABC, ABC, A square, B square, C square. It is minus 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1. Now you have to solve this. Now you try to reduce maximum number of zeros in a particular row or column. Suppose you try to reduce 0 in a column. So in a row, it is apply column 1 plus column 2, it is 0. If it is minus 1 and it is 1, column 1 plus column 2, it is 0. Again column 1, column 2 is split by column 2 minus column 3. So this property, it is 0, it is 2. Column 1 plus column 2, 1 plus minus 1, again 0. 1 plus 1, 2. Similarly column 2 minus column 3, 1 minus 1, 0. Again minus 1 minus 1 minus 2, 1 minus 1, 2. Again by expanding along row 1, it is 1, 0 minus 2, 2, 0, 2, 2. Again it is 0 minus 4 plus 4, which is 4a square, b square, c square. Another question, find the minimum value of this. We know from the third question, determinant of this equal to 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Here the question is, you have to find out the minimum value of the left side. This question. As you know, the determinant of this is this. We know that ABC a real number, but a square, b square plus c square are either 0 or positive. So a square plus b square plus c square is greater than equal to 0. So obviously this is greater than equal to 1. Implies delta is greater than equal to 1. Delta belongs to 1 to infinity. So minimum value of delta is 1. Another question. Prove that determinant of this equal to this. As in this question, every elements of first row are identical, so use the property column 1 minus column 2, column 2 minus column 3, reduce to any two elements to 0, reduce to this and this element to 0. By using this 1 minus 1, 0, a minus b, aq minus pq, 0, b minus c, bq minus cq. Again expanding in row 1, it reduced to a determinant of order 2, that is by deleting first row and third column we get this. Again taking common a minus b from column 1, it is, and b minus c from column 2, it is a minus b, b minus c. It is 1 a square plus ab plus b square, 1 b square plus bc plus c square. Since aq minus bq equal to a minus b whole into a square plus ab plus b square. So it is a square plus ab plus b square plus bc plus c square. Again by solving this we get this. But our target is to find a minus b, b minus c, c minus a plus b plus c. As already we find a minus b, b minus c. Now arrange c square minus a square. Again bc minus ab as b whole into c minus a. Again c square minus, if factorize this, it is c plus a, c minus a. By taking common c minus a, we get c plus a plus b. Again arranging this, a minus b, b minus c, c minus a, a plus b plus c. Proved. Another question. Prove that determinant of this equal to 2 whole into a plus b, b plus c, c plus a. First observe the question. Apply the property. Column 1 is split by column 1 plus column 2. You also use the property row 1 plus row 2. as every elements of row 1 are column 1 and row 2 are column 2 and row 3 are column 3. So if you apply the property column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3, we get a plus b. It is again a plus b. It is minus b minus a, that is minus of a plus b. Similarly minus c minus b, we can write it is minus of b plus c. Again a plus b plus c minus a, that is b plus c. Again minus a plus b plus c, again it is b plus c. Again by taking common a plus b from column 1 and b plus c from column 2, that is a plus b plus c, it is 1 1 minus 1, it is minus 1 1 1. It is this. Now we have to reduce any two elements of row 1 column 1 to 0 to evaluate this determinant. So use the property r1 minus r2 and r2 is plus by r2 plus r3, since it is minus 1. By applying this, it is 0, it is minus 2. Again minus b plus a, it is a minus b. Similarly row 2 plus row 3, 1 plus minus 1 0, 1 plus 1 2. Again minus a plus b plus c, that is b plus c. Again expanding this determinant along column 1, we get minus 1 into, by deleting third row and first column, it is minus 2a minus b to b plus c. Again taking common 2 from column 1, there is 2 whole into a plus b plus c, it is again minus 1, that is minus 1 1 a plus b plus c. Again by solving we get this. And the question, prove that determinant of this is equal to this. First observe the question. As in the proof, there is a term a minus b, b minus c. So column 1 minus column 2, a minus b, a square minus b square, bc minus c. By taking common c, it is b minus a. So you can take common a minus b from column 1 if you use this property. So use this property column 1 minus column 2, column 2 minus column 3. We get a minus b, a square minus b square, bc minus ca, we can write minus c into a minus b. Similarly ca minus ab, we can write minus a into b minus c. Again by taking common a minus b from column 1, b minus c from column 2, we get a minus b minus c, it is 1 a plus b minus c, 1 b plus c minus a, c square a minus b. As any two elements of this row are 1 and 1, we have to reduce this any 1 to 0 by using the property column 1 minus column 2. It is 1 minus 1 0, again a plus b minus c, that is a minus c, minus c minus a plus c, that is a minus c. As these two elements are identical, we have to reduce any one element to 0, so that we get maximum number of zeros in column 1. So use the property r2 minus r3, it is a minus c 0, b plus c, c square minus ab. As now expand along column 1. So by deleting first column and third row, we get determinant of this, that is a minus c into this. Again by solving, c square minus ab, again c into b plus c, that is minus bc minus c square minus ab, minus c, that is plus c square minus c square cancelled. Again by multiplying minus 1, we can write a minus c as c minus a into minus 1. So minus 1 into minus ab minus bc minus h, ab plus bc plus ca. So proved. Another question, prove the determinant of this equal to a plus b plus c. First observe this question. Here a minus b minus c, it is 2b 2c. Here 2a, b minus c minus a, 2c. Observe first column. Here minus b plus 2b, it is again b. Minus c plus 2c, it is again c. Again here b minus c minus a, minus c plus 2c, again is plus c. Minus a plus 2a, it is again a. Again c minus a plus 2a, it is again a. Minus b plus 2b is again b. So use the property r1 is plus by r1 plus r2 plus r3. We get a plus b plus c, a minus b minus c plus 2b plus 2c, minus b plus b, minus b plus 2b, again it is b, minus c plus 2c, again it is c. Similarly minus c plus 2c, c, minus c plus 2a. Similarly minus a plus 2a, a, minus b plus 2b, b. So it is a plus b plus c. As every elements of row 1 are identical, use the property, so that we can get any two elements to 0. Suppose use the property column 1 minus column 2, column 2 minus column 3, that is a plus b plus c minus a plus b plus c, 0. Again 2b minus of b, 2b minus b, it is again b, minus plus c plus a, which is a plus b plus c. Again 2c minus 2c, 0. Again column 2 minus column 3, a plus b plus c minus a plus b plus c, 0. Again this minus 2b, b minus 2b, it is again minus b minus c minus a. By taking common minus, we can write minus a plus b plus c. Again 2c minus c, that is plus c, plus a plus b, that is a plus b plus c. Again expanding row 1, so it is reduced to a determinant of order 2, that is a plus b plus c. This, now if we solve this, it is a plus b plus square minus 0, that is a plus b plus c whole cube. Another question, prove that determinant of this equal to 0. Now if you multiply this, it is abca, bcab, cabc. Again use the property column 3 plus column 2, that is we get ab plus bc plus ca, a plus bc plus ca, a plus bc plus ca. By taking ab plus bc plus ca, we get this is 1 1 1, which is same as column 1 and column 3. As you know that from the column identical property, determinant of this equal to 0, or directly you can say that as column 1 is proportional to column 3, determinant of this equal to 0, by using the identical or proportional property. Another question, prove that determinant of this equal to this. First observe the question. In the first row it is x 2x 2x. In the first row it is x plus 2x plus 2, that is 4x, that is 5x plus 4. In the second row it is again 2x plus x plus 2x, that is 5x plus 4. Again third row it is 5x plus 4. You can also use the property in column also, that is every elements of addition of every elements of column 1 is again 5x plus 4, as row 1 equal to column 1, row 2 equal to column 2, row 2 equal to column, row 3 equal to column 3. So use the property column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3, that is 5x plus 4, 5x plus 4, 5x plus 4. As every elements of column 1 are identical, reduce any two element to 0 using the property r1 minus r2, r2 minus r3, that is r1 minus r2 0, 2x minus x minus 4, that is x minus 4, 2x minus 2x 0. Again row 2 minus row 3 is 0, x plus 4 minus 2x, that is 4 minus x. Again 2x minus x minus 4, that is x minus 4. Again row 3 is constant. Again by expanding along column 1, we get, deleting first column and third row, we get 5x plus 4 in determinant of this. Again by solving this, we get this. Another question, prove that determinant of this equal to this. We start from LHS. Here if you observe the question, it is ABC, and in the column 2 it is ABC also. So apply the property column 2 minus column 3, that is BC, a plus b minus AB, b plus c minus BC, c plus a minus c, that is a this. Again if you observe again this, from this it is BCA CAB, again it is BCA. Apply property column 1 minus column 2, you get CAB. Column b plus c minus b, it is b, sorry, b plus c minus b, it is c, c plus a minus c, it is a plus b minus a, that is b. Now expand. In first column we get this, by solving this we get a cube b cube c cube minus 3abc.